Okay, this is your TR-4 tipping ring gauge. You get 10 feet of 2-conductor cable with it. It's heavy duty construction. You got a thumb screw that holds your collector on. You got 3 legs supporting the base. This is your calibration screws here. It's factory calibrated. It's got a screen to keep any of your larger debris from getting in and fouling the funnel. You can remove it just by loosening the thumb screw and tip over the collector to clean out the screen and funnel. Inside here you'll see the tipping bucket, an ABS construction tipping bucket. And we will show you a better shot here with the body removed. Here you can see kind of how it works, the tipping bucket. And you have a reed switch here that picks up the magnet. And you got your calibration screws there. You have the 2-position from the block top. To mount it on a flat surface, just find a good stable surface and screw the feet down. Ensure that it's level, that's important. And if you want to mount it on a pole, you remove the 3 feet. There's Phillips head screws that hold those in there. And then you'll notice there's 2 Phillips head screws on the body here. You need to remove those so we can mount the included bracket on the side. Once those are removed, you can set the bracket in position there. The top 2 holes will line over those threaded holes. And once we get those started, you can tighten them down, make sure that the bracket is on there squarely. Tighten those down good and snug, like so. There you have it. Now you're going to find a 1 inch to 1.5 inch diameter metal pole that's securely mounted vertically. Ensure that it's on their level, and then you can tighten up the hose clamps that are included. Double check to make sure everything is level. And you'll see the grommet on the bottom for your 2-conductor wire to feed up through. And we include a wire tie to retain it inside the bottom there. Then loosen up the 2 screws in the terminal block, insert the wires and tighten them down securely. And it doesn't matter if red's on one side or the other, you're just completing the circuit. Tighten those down, give them a little tug to make sure they're tight. Replace the rubber cover to keep the water out, and then you need to put your collector back on, tighten the thumb screw down and your filter screen, and you're good to go. Thank you.